Boy, oh boy, do we have a video today. I've just received two big packages in the mail. One humongous package, which is we're going to be opening up today. The first one we will not be, because that is actually going to be the first modification we do to whatever this is. So let's go find out what this may be. I just pulled this box off and they sent me a gosh dang broken one. Big old hole in the side of the box there. I don't know what that's from. Something poked through there, that's for sure. Here it is here, the XRT Ultimate. Man, what a truck this is. As you can see, you can get it in the blue or the green. This sucker should do 60 miles an hour. Like it says the other side of it. These are colorways and stuff. On this side, here we go. This is gonna show us all of the upgrades that it has. So the first thing is these aluminum wheel hexes, along with those blocks. We've got the upgraded wheelie bar wheels, and so much more. I mean, we've got the shock rings, don't know what the actual name for those are, the shock caps, the steering links, the steering knuckle, and the actual block itself. Again, we're going to have that middle wheel hex on the front as well. Then we've got middle diff covers, middle steering, servo saver linkage, whatever. This middle cover that covers the gear driven by the spur gear. There's a better look at the steering blocks and whatnot. Steering links, again, the rear differential cover, that's going to be on the back. Here's the rear shocks. We get belted tires as well, which is nice. That's definitely a must for a truck like this, in my personal opinion. We get the Bluetooth link module, which is nice. I mean, you definitely should for a truck that's worth as much as this is. And then an upgraded servo as well, which is fantastic. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Just like that. She's been opened, boys. Oh my goodness. It's the back. Oh, dude, those wheels are massive. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So if you are unfamiliar with what an XRT or X-Max Ultimate is, let's go over. Being an Ultimate, that means it has every upgrade that Traxxas offers. So it starts, you get a very unique body with the Ultimate sticker on it. It also has this metallic paint to it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Way better than a stock blue XRT would. Now, upgrade-wise, as you can see, it has all the bells and whistles on it. You know, it is definitely the Cadillac of RCs. You know, it's got these fully aluminum steering knuckles, blocks, whatever it is. It's got the middle wheel hexes. We've got the upgraded steering links. Again, the caster blocks in the rear and the wheel hexes. Also comes with the blue aluminum wheelie bar wheels. This is very nice. And you get the aluminum diff covers, fully aluminum shock caps, and these spring adjusters here. Again, the front differential cover, that's all aluminum. And then you get an upgraded servo and their aluminum steering linkage, which is very, very nice. You really can't see it in there. It's pretty well hidden away. There's the servo horn in there, so that's metal. And then you get the aluminum motor mounts, which I mean just adds to that blue look. Next up, it has the aluminum plate cover in there. A little difficult to see, but it's looking gorgeous as well. And I believe this thing also has the hardened steel pinion and spur gear, which is also very, very nice. All in all, this truck truly is an amazing truck. Look at all the aluminum. Look at that. Man, look at the blue on the motor mounts. I mean, this truck has every detail on it, even the little hinge pin caps, I believe that's called. This truck looks so good. I truly don't want to drive it because it's just going to get destroyed. That will be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing of this brand new truck. I mean, I know I sure did. This thing looks absolutely killer, especially outside in the elements. But stay tuned for next video where we're going to be doing our first modification to this thing. And I'll show you guys exactly what that is. And then whatever else we may do to this truck. Stay tuned to the channel to see what we do next with this truck. And till then, peace out, cuz.